Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn on the ads blocker on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. It typically appears as three horizontal lines. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave, including your ad blocking preferences. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Shields. This is where Brave gives you control over its privacy and security features, including the ad blocker. The Shields feature is one of the core reasons Brave is known for its strong privacy protection, so this is exactly where you need to be. Now, within the Shields section, look for an option labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal your blocking options. You'll be presented with two main choices, Standard and Aggressive. This is where you decide how strict you want your ad blocking to be. Here's what you need to know about these options. Standard is designed for the best privacy for most users. It blocks the majority of ads and trackers while keeping most websites functioning normally. This is the recommended setting if you want a balance between privacy and compatibility. On the other hand, Aggressive adds much stronger blocking but may break some sites. If you choose this option, you might encounter issues with certain websites not loading properly or some features not working as expected. So, select the option that best fits your browsing needs by clicking on it. And that's it. You've successfully configured the ad blocker on Brave browser. Your choice will immediately take effect, and Brave will start blocking ads and trackers according to the level you selected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.